Hi dear student, in this video we learn the vector integration. So it is from the vector calculus model. The vector calculus had two parts, vector differentiation and vector integration. The vector integration is over in the classroom. The remaining is vector integration. And the vector integration contents are basic definition of line integral, surface integral, volume integral, Green's theorem, Stokes theorem and divergence theorem. So all the theorems has only examples. By using the statement of the theorem we solve the example. So let us know the line, surface integral, volume integral, then some example on that. So line integral, surface integral and volume integral. The line integral is defined as if there exists a scalar field V along the curve C, then the line integral of V along C is defined by integration along the curve C V into dr. So it is mentioned that if any scalar V it is along the curve C, means along the curve, then it is called as line integral. It is defined as integration of V into dr, where dr is vector represented in xyj, so that is dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Then next definition is surface integral. If scalar field V exists on a surface S, surface integral V of S is defined by integration along the surface V into ds equal to integration along the surface V into n into ds. So here the vector field along the surface is there, so that is called as surface integral. Then to solve the example we use this formula. Then where n is equal to del s divided by mod of del s. Then the next is volume integral. Volume integral means if V is a closed region and F is a scalar field in the region V, volume integral f of a V is integration along Vf into dV is equal to triple integration of V f into dx dy dz. So by using these three definitions we solve some basic example. So let us solve the example. Scalar function f is equal to 2x defeated in one cubic that has been built by planes x equal to 0, x equal to 1, y equal to 0, y equal to 3, z is equal to 0 and z is equal to 2. Evaluate volume integral f of the cubic. So they have given the function, they have given the boundary condition, so we have to find the, that is work done or line integral. So solution, integration along the V f into dv. So here cubic is bounded by the x, y, z, they have given the boundary condition. So by using this we solve the example. So integration along the V f into dv, then integration of, that is cubic is bounded by z is equal to 0 to 2, y is equal to 0 to 3, x equal to 0 to 1, and the function is they have given 2x into dx dy dz. So first integrate with respect to x, then simplify, then integrate with respect to y, simplify, then last integrate with respect to z. So let us integrate with respect to x. So 2 is constant, we have written outside, then integration over z is equal to 0 to 2, y is equal to 0 to 3 as it is. Integration of x will be the x square by 2, then limiting point is 0 1 dy dz. Put the upper limit x equal to 1 and lower limit x equal to 0. 1 square is 1, 0 square will be 0, 1 minus 0 will be the 1. So remaining is, after substitution and simplify, 1 by 2. Then 2 into 1 by 2 is constant, z equal to 0 to 2, y is equal to 0 to 3, 1 into dy dz. So next integrate with respect to y. So integration of 1 will be the with respect to y, in the limiting point are 0 and 3. So here 2 cancel. If you put upper limit as a 3, lower limit 0 3 minus 0 will be the 3. So we get integration from 0 to 2, 3 into dz, then integrate with respect to z. If nothing means 1 is there, integration of 1 with respect to z will be z. Then the limits are 0 to 2. Put the upper limit 2, lower limit 0. So that is 2 minus 0 will be 2, 2 into 3 will be the 6. So it is a volume function, that is function bounded by the volume or work done example. So solve similarly one more example. Calculate integration along the curve C f into dr from a point x equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0 to the point x equal to 4, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 1 along the curve x equal to 4t, y is equal to 2t square, z is equal to t cube if so f is equal to x square y into I plus xz into j minus 2yz into k. So here they have given the force function, then they have all the x, y, z curve denoted or defined only one variable t. So then first write the given force, that is force is equal to x square y I plus xzj minus 2iz k. So put x, y, z value, that is x is 40 whole square 40, y value is 2t square 2t square, x is 40, z is t cube. Similarly here put y value, z value, then on simplify we get 4 square is 16, 16 into 2 is 32, t square is t square into t square. So base will be same, a raised to m, a raised to n, m plus n, 2 plus 2 will be the 4, t raised to 4 into I plus 4 as it is, t raised to 1 t cube, it will be the 3 plus 1 will be 4, t raised to 4 into j minus 2 into 2 4, t square plus t square into t cube means t raised to 2 plus 3, that is t raised to 5. Therefore force is equal to 32 into t raised to 4 into I plus 4 into t raised to 4 into j minus 4 into t raised to 5 k. So in the calculate they have given f into dr, f is now we have written, then dr. So dr means in the vector represent dx into I plus dy into j plus dz into k. So dx, dy, dz can be obtained by using by differentiating respective term. Dx with respect to x will be dx, so x with respect to x will be dx, 4t with respect to 2 will be the 4 dt. So dx is equal to 4 dt, so you have written dx is equal to 4 dt. dy is equal to differential with respect to t means this will be the 4t into dt, 4t into dt. Differential with respect to t, dz by dt is equal to 3t square or 3t square into dt. Then put in the formula, we get f into dr is equal to f is 32 into t raised to 4 into I plus 4 into t raised to 4 into j minus t raised to 5 into k into 4 dt into I plus 4t dt into j plus 3t square dt into k. Then here multiply, only I into I is 1, I into j will be 0, I into k will be similarly for j into j will be 1, remaining will be the 0, k into k 1. After simplify you get 32 into t raised to 4 4 dt plus 4 t raised to 4 into 4 t dt plus minus 4 t raised to 5 into 3 t square dt. On simplify we get 32 into 4 will be 128 t raised to 4 dt plus 4 for the 16 16 t raised to 5 dt minus plus minus minus 4 into 3 12 12 t raised to 7 into dt. All the term have dt common, take common, we get f into dr equal to 128 into t raised to 4 plus 16 into t raised to 5 minus 12 into t raised to 7 dt. Then they have given the point. So initially they have given the point xyz, but we convert xyz term in terms of only one term, that is t. So put x is equal to 0, the value of t is equal to 0. If you put x equal to t, the value of t is equal to 1. So it is the lower limit, these are the upper limit. So lower point, if you put x equal to 0, t is equal to 0. If you put y is equal to 0, t is equal to 0. If you put z is equal to 0, t equal to 0. Similarly for upper limit, if you put x equal to 4 here, 4 cancel, t equal to 1. If you put y is equal to 2 here, t square is equal to 2 by 2 1, t is equal to 1. If you put z is equal to 1 here, that is t cube is equal to 1, t is equal to 1. So for the lower limit t is equal to 0, then upper limit t is equal to 1, like that. For t is, so t equal to 0, for upper limit t is equal to 1. So integration along a to b f dr is equal to integration from 0 to 1, 128 into t raised to 4 plus 16 into t raised to 5 minus 12 into t raised to 7 into dt. So integrate along with respect to t, then put the upper limit and lower limit. So 128 as it is, t raised to 4 integration t raised to 5, 16 as it is, t raised to 5 integration is t raised to 6 by 6, 12 as it is, t raised to 7 integration t raised to 8 by 8. On simplify we get 128 divided by 5 into t raised to 5 plus 8 by 3 into t raised to 6 minus 3 by 2 into t raised to 8. Then the put upper limit t is equal to 1, lower limit 0. For lower limit all the value will be 0, only for upper limit it will be t raised to that is put t is equal to 1, it will be 1 1 1. We get 128 divided by 5 plus 8 divided by 3 minus 3 by 2, 26 into 23 divided by 30, or 803 divided by 30. So it is a work done example. Find the work done in a moving particle in the force field. A force is given by 3x square I plus 2xz minus y into j plus zk along A, that is C1 is a circle, first circle, straight line from x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z is equal to 0 to x equal to 2, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 3, and B along B, that is curve to C2 defined by x square is equal to 4y, 3x cube is equal to 8z, from x varies from 0 to 2. So we have to find the work done. Total work done moving the part along the C is given by integration of along the curve C f into dr. Then they have given from the part A, that is curve A, we on simplify we get x divided by, they have given the points using a distance point, x divided by 2 minus 0 is 2, y divided by 1 minus 0 is 1, z divided by 3 minus 0 is 3. We equate to some constant, that is t. Therefore x equal to 2t, y is equal to t, z is equal to 3t. So all x, y, z depend on only one variable t. Then differentiate with respect to t, we get dx by dt is equal to 2 or dx equal to 2 dt, dy by dt is equal to 1 or dy is equal to dt, dz by dt is equal to 3 dt or dz is equal to 3 dt. Then they have given when x varies from 0 to 2, means put x equal to 0, t is equal to 0, put x equal to 2, t is equal to 1. Similarly put here also, that is t is equal to 0 to 1, this is also t is equal to 0 to 1. Then integration along the curve CF into dr, integration of 3x square I plus 2xz minus y j plus zk dx dy dz. So we have written f and dr. Then after simplification we get 3x square dx plus 2xz minus y to dy plus here z is missing, so z into dz. Then all the x, y, z only depending only one variable t, then t varies from 0 to 1. So t is equal to 0 to 1. Then put the value of x, dx, z, dz, y, dy. We get 3 into x is 2 t square 2 tt whole square into 2 into dt plus 2 as it is, x is 2t, y is t, z is 3t minus y is t plus z is 3t, then dz is 3 dt. So put x, y, z, then dx divided z from this. On simplification we get t is equal to 0 to 1, 36 t square plus 8t into dt. Integrate with respect to t. On integration t square is t cube by 3, t is t square by 2. On simplification we get 4t cube plus 4t square. The limiting point are 0 to 1. Put the upper limit 1, 1 cube is 1, 1 square is 1, 4, 12 plus 4 will be the 16. If we put lower limit 0, it will be the 0. So the work done along the curve C1 or along A is 16. Similarly for B. For part B, on simplifying, that is here curve C, they have given x equal to t, we have assumed that is x equal to t, then x square is equal to 4y is there, we have written y is equal to, already I have written x equal to t square by 4, then z is equal to 3x cube by 8, x means t, so that is 3t cube by 8. So we have convert x, y, z as a single variable. Then difference with respect to t, we on simplify you get dx equal to dt, dy is equal to, that is 2t dt divided by 4, or ty is equal to t into dt by 2. Then differentiate with respect to t, we get dz is equal to 9 by 8 t square into dt. Then here t varies from 0 to 2. If we put x equal to 0, t equal to 0. If we put x equal to 2, t is equal to 2. Similarly here, if we put all the value, it will be 0 to 2. So integration f into dr. So f, put the value, that is f is known, it is a f value, put here f value, then dx dy dz, we get 3x square into dx plus 2xy minus y into dy plus z into this, same as this. Then put here x dx y dy z dz value. From this we get integration from t is equal to 0 to 1, 3 into t square dt plus 2t into t cube by 8 minus t square by 4 into t into dt by 2 plus 3 t cube by 8 into 9 by 8 into t square dt. It is obtained by substituting the value of x and dx y dy z dz here. Then on integrate with respect to t, then putting the limit, we get the answer will be the 16. Therefore the work done along the curve C2 is 16. Here we conclude that the work done along the curve C1 and C2 both will be the same. Then the next concept is Green's theorem. The statements of Green's theorem is like this. Let C be positively oriented, piecewise smooth and simply closed curve in the plane, and let D be the region bounded by curve. If P and Q have a continuous partial derivatives on an open region that contains D, then integration along the curve C P dx plus Q dy equal to double integration along the D dq dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y into dA. So in the statement they have given C be the positively oriented piecewise closed curve and D be the region bounded by the C, means here C is the curve, D is inside the curve. Then if P and Q continuous partial derivative on or in the region D, then it is given by integration along the curve C P dx plus Q dy is equal to double integration over the D dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y into dA. So by using this statement we solve the example. So let us solve the example. The example is like verify Green's theorem in a plane for integration along the curve C 3x square minus 8y square into dx plus 4y minus 6xy into dy, where C is the boundary of the region enclosed by y is equal to root x and y is equal to x square. Next we have a Green's theorem. Already in the previous slide Green's theorem is explained. So Green's theorem is given by integration along the curve C m dx plus n dy, integration along the region dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx into dy. So instead of m and n in the statement I have used the p and q. Then they have given that is y is equal to root x, then y is equal to x square. This is the curve. So y is equal to root x can be squaring on the both the side, it will get y square is equal to x. So y square is equal to x and y is equal to x square. So let us draw in the xy plane. So it is a xy plane. Y square is equal to x means it is a parabola towards x-axis. X square is equal to y means it is a parabola towards the y-axis. Then find these point, that is intersection point, by comparing these two equations. Already you know in the first semester find the region, so you know how to find the point. So here y is equal to root x is there, y is equal to x square. By comparing this we get root x equal to x square. On squaring on the both the side, root and root cancel, x square will be x raised to 4 or x4 minus x equal to 0. Take x common, x into bracket x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. Either x is equal to 0 or x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 0 and 1. The point of intersections are 0 0 and 1 1. The point of intersection are 0 0 1 1. Then we have to verify that is LHS is equal to RHS. For that they have given It's in the form of Green's theorem, that is integration of m dx plus n dy. They have in the form of m dx n dy. So here m means 3x square minus 8y square, n minus 6xy. So differentiate m with respect to y, n partial with respect to x. We get m partial with respect to y means it will be 0, it is minus 16y. Differentiate with respect to x means it will be 0 minus 6y. Then integration along the curve C m dx plus n dy. So curve C is, that is intersection curve, 0 to O to A to O. So it is bounded by two curves. Integration along the curve C m dx plus n dy equal to integration of OA m dx plus n dy plus AO m dx plus n dy. So it is denoted as I1, it is denoted as I2. So along OA, so it is a OA, along OA the curve will be the y is equal to x square. Difference respect to x, we get dy is equal to x, or dy by dx equal to x, or dy is equal to 2x into dx. Here x varies from, we know, 0 to 1. X varies from 0 to 1. So find the I1, that is OA. I1 is equal to integration from 1. So here m dx, m is 3x square minus 8y square. Put the y is equal to x square, that is x is to 4 into dx plus n dy, that plus 4x square minus 6x cube. So put here y is equal to x, dy is equal to 2x dx. We get I1 is equal to integration from 0 x equal to 0 to 1, 3x square minus 8x raised to 4 into dx plus 4x square minus 6x cube into 2x dx. Then on simplify, we get integration from x equal to 0 to 1, 3x square plus 8x cube minus 20 into x raised to 4 into dx. Then integrate with respect to x. Here x square is only one term, x. Then x raised to 4 is here. If you multiply x raised to 4, it will be the 8x raised to 4, 12. 8 plus minus 8 minus 12 will be 20. 4 into 2, 8, 8x cube. Then integrate with respect to x. 3 as it is, x square integration is x cube by 3. 3 cancel, x cube plus 8 x cube integration x raised to 4 by 4. 4 into 2, 2. 2x raised to 4 minus 20 as it is, x raised to 4 integration x raised to 5 by 5. 5 into 4 will be the 5, 20. So it will be 4x raised to 5. Then the put upper limit and lower limit. So put x equal to 1, it will be the minus 1. If you put 0, it will be 0. So I1 is equal to minus 1. Similarly, the curve along AO, that is curve along AO, here x varies from 1 to 0. Here in the OA, x varies from 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to 1. So AO, this is a curve y is equal to x, x square is equal to, it is a curve y is equal to root x or y square is equal to x. So y is equal to root x or x equal to y square. Difference with respect to y, dx by dy is equal to 2y, or dx equal to 2y into dy. Then y varies from 1 to 0. So I have told x instead of x, we have taken in terms of y. Y varies from 1 to 0. So put x equal to y square, dx equal to 2y dy in the given force, that is here. That is here you in the m dx and dy convert in terms of y. We get 3y raised to 4 minus 8y square into 2y dy plus 4y minus 6y cube into dy. Then y varies from 1 to, then on simplify this, we get y varies from 1 to 0, 4y minus 22y cube plus y 6 into y raised to 5 dy, or we get 11 by 2 into y raised to 4. 5 raised to 5 integration is y raised to 6 by 6. 6 cancel, y raised to 6. Then the put the limit, on simplify we get I2 is equal to 5 by 2. Therefore LHS equal to I1 plus I2 minus 1 plus 5 by 2 is 3 by 2. So here they have asked to verify LHS can be calculated using the given curve or given data. So this is a procedure. So that is 3, where it is, sorry, so LHS is equal to 3 by 2. Then RHS contain the formula. This is integration over the region dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy. So there are how to find the region in the previous semester, you know. Here region is taken, x is from 0 to 1, y is from x square to root x. It is from the diagram. So x is varies from 0, and here y varies from x square to root x. So it is a limit taken as a lower curve, y is equal to x square, upper limit as upper curve, that is y is equal to root x. So y is equal to x square, y is equal to root x. Then dou n by dou x, dou m by dou y already I have calculated. Put the value minus 16y minus 6y. So here substitute minus 6y, this minus plus 16y dy into dx. So it is minus 6y plus 16y means 10y. Then integrate with respect to y, with respect to x. So integrate with respect to y. So y integration is y square by 2, 10 as it is. The limiting point are root x and x square. 2 1s are 2, 5s are 5 as it is. X varies from 0 to 1. Put y is equal to root x. Here root and square cancel x. Put y is equal to x square, x raised to 4 into dx. Next integrate with respect to x. X integration is x square by 2. X raised to 4 integration is x raised to 5 by 5. Integration from 0 to 1. Then the put upper limit and lower limit. Then after simplification we get RHS is equal to 3 by 2. So here LHS is equal to 3 by 2 and RHS is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore this is the verify the Green's theorem. So let us solve one more example on Green's theorem. Verify Green's theorem along the curve C xy plus y square into dx plus x square y, where C is the closed curve of the region bounded by y is equal to x and y is equal to x square. So this is they have given, then we have to verify. So verify means we have to prove LHS is equal to RHS. So they have given the curve is bounded by y is equal to x and y is equal to x square. So let us draw in the xy plane. So y is equal to x means straight line passing through origin. It is y is equal to x. Y is equal to x square means it is in the form of x square is equal to 4ay. It is a parabola along the y axis. Then find the points by comparing these two curves. LHS is same, x square is equal to x. On simplification we get x equal to 0 and y x equal to 1. If you put any if we put value of x in any one curve, we get another point. If you put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. If you put x equal to 1, y equal to 1. The points of intersections are 0 0 and 1 1. Then we have Green's theorem. Integration along the curve C m dx plus n dy equal to integration over the region dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx into dy. To solve verify question, LHS, then LHS can be evaluated by taking the given curve. Then RHS can be evaluated by taking the points of the region, that is region limiting point. So here the curve is bounded by y is equal to x and x square is equal to y. So that can be written as LHS integration of xy plus y square dx plus x square dy. Here the curve is bounded by 0 to O to A to O. So it is the curve running from closed by 0 to O to A to O. So that is written as O to A f, that is xy plus y square into dx plus x square dy plus xy plus y square x dx. So it is a OA, it is a AO, it is denoted as I1, it is denoted as I2. So let us first find the I1. So I1 is the curve of OA. Along the OA the curve is y is equal to x square. If we differentiate respect to x, dy is equal to x dx. Then here x varies from 0 to 1, x varies from 0 to 1. So put in this formula, we get x is from 0 to 1, that is x cube plus x raised to 4 into dx plus 2x cube into dx. On simplification, 3x cube plus x raised to 4 into dx. So integrate with respect to x, this will be 3x raised to 4 by 4 plus x raised to 5 by 5. Then put the upper limit and lower limit, simplify, we get I1 is equal to 19 by 20. So along the curve AO, it is y varies from 1 to 0, that is y is equal to x, dy is equal to dx. It is a curve straight line, y is equal to x. Then put the y is equal to x, dy is equal to dx, and x varies from 0 to 1, or if you convert in terms of y varies from 0, means we have to convert only single variable. Then if you put value here, we get x equal to 1 to 0, that is x into x plus x square into dx plus x square into dx. On simplify, all are x square, that will be 3x square. Integration of 3x square will be 3x cube by 3, 3 cancel. Then limiting points are 1 and 0. If you put upper limit 0, it will be 0. If you put lower limit 1, 0 minus 1 will be minus 1. I2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore LHS is equal to I1 plus I2. 19 divided by 20 minus 1. On simplification we get minus 1 by 20. It is the LHS part. To evaluate RHS part of this, so we required m and n. So m and n given in the question is given in the form of m dx plus n dy. So m means xy plus y square, n means x square. So here we have written. Then differentiate with respect to y, that is partially. Differentiation of y is 1, x as it is x, y square is 2y. With respect to value in the RHS, we get integration from these limiting point can be taken from the region bounded by the curve. So it is a region bounded by the curve y is equal to x square and y is equal to x. So y is equal to x is taken as a upper limit, y is equal to x square as a taken as a lower limit. So we have written y is equal to x square, y is equal to x, then x varies from 0 to 1. Then after substituting these, we get 2x minus x minus 2y, or x minus 2y into dy dx. First integrate with respect to y. Integration of with respect to y means nothing, means 1 with respect to y, integration is y. So xy minus integration of y will be the 2y square by 2, 2 to cancel y square. Then the limiting point will be the x to x square. X equal to 0 to 1, put upper limit x, then lower limit x square. So this is upper limit, this is lower limit. On simplify, we get x raised to 4 minus x cube into dx. Again integrate with respect to x, we get x4 integration is x raised to 5 by 5 minus x cube integration is x raised to 4 by 4. The limiting point are 1 to 0. If you put upper limit is 1 by 5 minus 1 by 4. If you put 0, that will be 0. On simplify, we get minus 1 by 20. Thus the theorem is verified because LHS is equal to RHS. Suppose in the example only ask the Green's theorem, evaluate. If they have given LHS, you have to find RHS. If they have given RHS, you have to find the LHS. So in the next video we learn the examples on the, that is Stokes theorem.